The revealed mystery of the entire Bible is one restored bride. Jehovah gathers Israel and welcomes nations into covenant life without erasing the original calling of the tribes. Shabbat rehearses that wedding, and the feasts shape relationships. As Dr. Doug Hamp points out this week on Shabbat Night Live, the wedding is coming, and we need to live like we're engaged.
If you're kind of still in that dispensational mindset, you're like, well, this is where Jesus and the church are going to be supping for 7 years while the tribulation is happening. You're like, well, wait a second. What about people that come to faith during that time? What about our brethren, the Jews, who have a real significant part in this? How does it all fit together? And those questions are largely ignored. But the marriage supper of the Lamb, that is the party after the wedding, right? This is when you have the wedding party, and you're taking photos and you're having all the yummy food. That's what that is, and we're going to be part of that. All of Israel is going to be part of that. It's not something that's just for the church, but it's a fulfillment of this promise that God made when he said in Hosea, I will betroth you to me forever. Yes, I'll betroth you to me in righteousness and justice and loving kindness and mercy. That's it. This is the culmination. This is the consummation of that time when God, Jesus, is going to finally start to live intimately with his bride. So it just reframes it in ways that we don't have two different groups anymore. We have one group. We begin to see who we are. And, we also see in the book of Zechariah, it talks about how if anyone doesn't keep the feast, then they won't get any rain. Well, now you start doing this stuff, right? You start keeping the feast. And you're like, oh, this is really cool practice. This is what's going to happen during the millennium. This is a rehearsal of events yet to come. And how they all fit together, I don't know. There's a lot of cool stuff that God hasn't revealed. He hasn't revealed everything. He just kind of gives us little snippets here and there.